What's up, guys? I know I haven't been uploading in a while. I've been real busy getting stuff done with school. It's about to be the end of the semester, so everything's going crazy. A lot of tests, a lot of things like that. But good news is I finally got a job. I think I'm gonna start working within 2 weeks, and then I'll be making enough money to like regularly mess with my truck and buy stuff on it. So I'm just waiting on that. So be prepared, guys, as I'm gonna have a lot of cool stuff coming in. So today, basically, this company hit me up from China, so they sent me some free LEDs, but they want me to review them. So honest review. So so if you guys don't want to see some more lights on my channel, you can just end the video or something. No, I'm just kidding. Watch it, please. And then I'm gonna give a full honest review to see if they're better than the ones I have, because the ones they sent me, they gave me the option to choose. They're like $20 LEDs. So, and then the ones I have, they cost me like $50, but I got them a little bit cheaper than what they actually cost. So we'll compare them both, and then I'll see the quality of these. Yeah. Okay, guys. So first impression of the box. I don't know where the heck they had it, but it's like if it was dragged. Look how nasty it is. But don't judge a book by its cover, guys. So we'll see. But yeah, the outside was pretty bad. It was this company from Japan they sent me an email and said they were gonna give me some free stuff, so couldn't say no. So here's a box. The box is really good quality, feels nice and everything. Damn, someone's having a party in their car. So these are 6,500K. They're white, so we'll see. Japanese instructions we don't need. So here they are. Oops. Okay, let's see. Honestly, I don't know how to feel about the material, because other ones I have, they feel heavier, they feel more hard, but I don't know if the material really messes with the quality of it. But as a built-in fan, hopefully it's good. Right now we'll test it out against the other one, see if it's better or not. But so far it's all right. I'm gonna get out just one of the lights I have, and then we'll test them out on the outside, because I searched them up and everything. They're like $20 LEDs, and the ones that I bought for my buddy are actually really good quality LEDs. So we'll test them out first on appearance wise, the material it's made out of, and then we'll try them out like side by side, which one's brighter, which one heats up faster, all that good stuff, to see if they're really worth it or not. Okay, so here we have them next to each other. Here's the one I have, the 3 little squares for the LEDs. It's actually a pretty good material. Has a fan also. Just a plain wire here. And this one actually has I guess it's a nice touch to it. I really don't know if this is safe or not. I don't know. I can't tell if it's plastic or I don't know what that is, but that's nice and all. And this one definitely has way more LEDs compared to that one. This one's way bigger. Well, there are a bunch of tiny ones, but since it is bigger, hopefully we'd want it to be brighter. I don't really know much about LEDs, but like, you see how this one has this here and this one doesn't have it here. I don't know if that actually gives it more light out or not, but let's put them on and we'll find out. Okay, so I've already put both lights on. Let's turn them on. Let's see the difference between them, since one's only like 500 difference. So I don't know how you guys see it in the camera. This one, they look yellow in the camera, but in real life, this one's like how do I put this? That one would be like a more chill white. That one would be a little bit more like I don't know, like a harder white, if that makes sense. That one's like more calm. You can even kind of see it here. This one's like yellow, and this one's like kind of a little bit yellowish. So that one's a cheap one. This one's a good one. On here it looks kind of yellowish, but I like this one because it matches the color of the thing. You just, in the camera you can't see it, but this one, damn, this one's actually pretty bright. Like it probably matches in the video, but it doesn't match in real life. But I'm actually surprised for $20. I think it's actually brighter than the expensive one over there. Like I'm being serious. I can't believe this. I don't know if you can see them. That one's, it's actually brighter. So that's crazy. I'm gonna try to get more at night so we can kind of like compare which one's brighter, you know. And I'm gonna leave them on for about 10 minutes, maybe 15, to see if the housing gets hot and if the light itself gets hot, to see which one can withstand more, the cheap ones or the expensive ones. But I'm actually surprised for them being worth 20 bucks, about 20 bucks. They're pretty bright. They've been on for about 15 minutes. It's warm, not hot, but it's warm. This one's warm also. Let me see. I think this one might actually be a little bit more, a little bit hotter than the cheap one. So let me touch the light, see if it's hot. It's warm. Yeah, it's pretty warm. Let me see this one. It's actually way hotter. Little fan, this one's actually way hotter. That's crazy. So the cheap ones are actually way cooler than the expensive ones. So that's crazy. So these 50 bucks is what I paid for. They're worth a little bit more, and these are worth about 20 bucks. So these ones are actually so far doing better than the expensive ones, which I'm actually very surprised. They're doing pretty good. So we'll just wait until it gets dark. Even the area, I think it's, you see how that one's kind of chopped off, top and bottom. This one's all rounded out. I think it's because the little metal piece I showed you guys earlier, how this one has them there and this one doesn't. So I think that also prevents it from being more spread out. So these are actually turning out pretty good. So we'll wait till it's a little bit darker. Okay guys, it's already dark. Look at the difference. Okay, so that one is gonna be the one they gave me. The cheap ones is gonna be the expensive ones. Look at the difference. That one's like all round. This one's like, I think it's because of watch, let me show you. Like the one I bought, you see how it has this thing here? I don't know if that plays a role in it or not, off of the way it looks, but I'm guessing it does, because since that one has it and the ones that I was given, they don't have it. So I'm guessing that kind of takes a big role. Look at the difference in color. It's slightly different, the color, but yeah. Look, this is a 6K, this is 6,500. Look at the difference. They're actually really good quality for only being 20 bucks. I would actually recommend these. They're cheap and they're reliable. So I'm gonna back up the truck a bit so we can kind of see the difference between them in the distance. Let's watch. I think I might actually prefer the ones they gave me because of how bright they are. Let's see. In the video, okay, in the video you just see the spots, but in real life this one's all nice and spread out evenly. Doesn't have that circle around it. And this one you can see all the little lines, which is weird. Maybe it's a housing or not, I don't know, but the light is so much nicer on this side. It's actually whiter, that one. So I might actually get them both the same like that. But overall, it's actually really good for 20 bucks. I would recommend it. It's actually really good, guys. But that's basically it for the video. But just remember, guys, the next video is gonna be awesome, and the ones after this are gonna be badass. So thanks for watching, guys, and stick around. You'll see this channel will get crazy.